Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm J.C. Jensen. Today's jig of the day is a very simple to make planer sled. Let's say you've got a big piece of material that you intend to resaw. Like I have here, this actually measures 9/4 by 10.5. It's too big for my 8-inch joiner to flatten a face, so I've made this sled in order to feed it through the planer. If I run it through the planer as it is with all of this wobble in it, those wobbles, it's just going to wobble as it goes through the planer, and yeah, it might be smooth, but it's still going to be twisted. So in order to take that out, I'm going to use this sled, which is nothing more than a piece of 3/4 inch plywood that I ripped down to fit into my planer. I took the scrap and cut off a back, which is just the pusher. And so I've got two pieces of 3/4 inch, that's 1.5 inches, and I used 1 1/4 inch screws to attach the pusher bar. This is flat. I can now take my extra large piece, lay it on my sled, and then just use simple shims to balance out Well, that's got a lot of twist. To balance it out so it doesn't wobble anymore. There we go, just like so. So now this has a big twist in it. Now that I've stabilized it, I can feed it through the planer and it will actually flatten this side, right? I'm doing that in lieu of doing it by hand. And as I said, it's too big for my joiner. So real simple to build. Make it square-ish. Even that's not important. As long as it fits through your planer, it has a pusher bar on it that is lower than the piece that you intend to cut. Stabilize, feed it through, you're good to go. You can flatten one face. That's today's jig of the day. If you like my video, please remember to hit that like button. We'll see you down the road.